Hey there, my name is Carlos and I'm excited to bring you into this journey. We're Portland Workforce Alliance and we work with high schools to connect students like you with all kinds of employers and colleges. We know you have big dreams for your future. Our job is to help you explore those dreams and start making your plans a reality. One place that you can do that is at the Youth Careers Expo. Well, let's pause for a moment. Before we talk about the expo, let's dive into what is career exploration. Have you explored your interests? Are there certain classes or hobbies that caught your attention? Maybe you're thinking about a career with a great pay, or maybe there's a job that you're thinking about that you would really want to explore. You don't have to decide today or tomorrow. It is okay to take your time, but high school is a great time to see what's possible.
Hey Carlos, how's it going?
It's going good. How's it going with you?
It's going pretty good. So we're here today to talk about the Career Expo, but for those who don't know, can you tell me a little bit more about it?
Yeah, the Careers Expo is really the place you want to be at, especially if you're a high school student, and it's an opportunity for you to explore, careers, jobs. Our top employers from the region are going to be there, colleges and training centers. And it's really an opportunity for you to, for the students to explore different careers, right? If you're thinking about being a nurse, being a designer, if you're thinking about being a farmer, doing landscaping, there's multiple opportunities for you to get engaged in the expo.
That sounds really cool. It also sounds like a really big event, and if I was a student, I might be a little bit nervous. Are there certain ways that students can best prepare ahead of the expo?
That's a good question. Let's step in with Susan to tell us more about how can students prepare for that.
Thank you, Carlos and Nicole. One tip is to start thinking about what you really enjoy doing. Maybe that's building or fixing things. Maybe you really like to help people or design things. Start thinking about your strengths. There are resources at your school and online that can help you discover jobs and careers that you might really love. Next, you'll want to review the list of who's coming to the expo. I'd recommend choosing at least 5 businesses or colleges or training programs to visit. They each have a booth and are called exhibitors. So you can check out the exhibitor list and make a plan for who you want to visit. So once you've got your top 5, you can research them and brainstorm some questions to ask them. You can find some sample questions and other resources online. You can check out this QR code right here. Planning ahead will really help you make the most of this expo experience.
Lastly, look good, feel good. Choose clothing that makes you feel confident and get ready to make some connections. Hey Scott, we have done some great prep work. Share with them some tips about how to explore the actual expo.
Thank you, Carlos. You may now have a better idea of what employers you may want to visit, or just follow your gut. Walk around and see what catches your eye. Explore your options, especially if you have a sense of what you want to do. Ask a lot of questions and engage with companies or sectors you might be interested in working with in the future. You can always refer to your Expo Starter Kit to find starter questions. Bring your resume and do a mock job interview. Interviewing in the real world is much less scary after you've had practice. Lastly, thank the exhibitors and collect their contact information for future reference. Attending the expo and navigating it is only part of the journey. The next step is following up on what you've learned.
So first step is attending the expo, but the next step is to follow up with folks after the expo. If you happen to connect with someone or a specific career or industry, grab their contact info while you're at the expo and be sure to follow up with them afterwards. If you're still unsure, which is totally normal, and you still want to explore different career opportunities, you can visit the Career Center at your school or visit the PWA website to continue this career exploration. These things include career days, job shadowing, internships, summer opportunities, and volunteer events. We know you may not have it figured out right now, which is totally normal. What we really want to encourage you to do is to expand your different career options rather than limit them. And you can start right here by finding incredible careers, starting to look for different options for the future, and making connections with folks. So we wish you the best of luck, and we hope to see you at the expo.